Today we'll talk about how can you disable design or know how you can do that on your Upwork challenge app. All you have to do, you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. When you click on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click on notification settings here. So then it's going to take you to next step. Then all you have to do, just click on email updates. So when you click here on email updates, it's going to take us to next step here. So then you go down here and you come here to contracts. So then you go down and you come here to contract terms are modified. So you click in this sign or this color, like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.